Today we're going to talk about our Bombshell Brow Essentials Night Kit. The first step is to use a brow pomade. Gently fill in the brows. Remember, less is more. You can always build it up. The second step is to use a Pro Defining Pencil. It blends in with your brows. You can define the shape of your brows the way you want it. So one side has the pen and the other one has a spoolie for you to blend it. The third step is to use a brow lift. It covers the unwanted hair. It also shapes and lifts your brows and frames it better. And the fourth item in the kit is our beautiful Bombshell Brow Serum. It is made up of castor oil and rose extract. It conditions your brow hair. It helps you grow your brow hair in less than 1 month.